That was the entrance of the Agas-Agas Bridge if you are coming from Tacloban, and dun yung boundary ng Southern Leyte, and may CR break sila dun. And this is the view deck from the left side of the bridge. Ayan. By far, this is the tallest bridge of the Philippines. And let's check out the other view deck. Years ago, this was just a dream for me, a dream destination na ma-ride as an average obese cyclist, and dream come true for me sa 2025. I am off with a good start sa year 2025, hoping na magtuloy-tuloy yung fitness journey natin. Anyway, picture taking lang kami ni Jumarly, and we will proceed back to our hometown. Ganda ng view. Shout out to my wife for lending her bike to Jumarly, and see you later. Love you.